I've taken 1/4 cup of corn flour. To this corn flour, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper powder. We're going to whisk everything really well together. And then I've taken 250 grams of boneless chicken breast, cut them into small cubes. We're just going to coat these with this corn flour mixture and dust off the excess and keep them aside in a plate. Now I'm just going to fry these till they're nice and crispy brown in about 1/4 cup of oil. We don't want them to become extremely dark brown, just fry them till they're nice and coated and crispy and they turn a little light golden brown in color. I'm going to keep a metal sieve or sift and I'm going to drain the excess oil onto this. This will give your chili chicken a real amazing taste. And this crispiness of the chicken is also amazing. Now I'm going to heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. I've also finely chopped 1 green chili, 10 cloves of garlic and 1 inch of ginger. 2 green chilies. I've just chopped them very fine. And then I've sliced 1 large onion and 1 medium capsicum into thin slices like this. And then we will need 1 tablespoon of red chili sauce, 2 tablespoons of soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of Szechuan sauce and 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup and 1 teaspoon of pepper powder and some salt to taste. Now once the oil is really hot, we're going to keep our flame between medium and high and we're going to add these green chili, ginger and garlic and we're going to fry them till they're light golden brown in color. Then we're going to add the sliced up onion. Fry the onion also on a high flame. We don't want to really brown the onions or make them translucent. Just fry them for about half a minute. And then we're going to add the capsicum. Fry the capsicum also on a high flame for half a minute. Now for this chili chicken, we are going to cook this on a high flame because we don't want to make the onions and the capsicum soft. We want them to be crunchy. Now I'm going to add the pepper powder, give it a mix. We're going to add some salt to taste, but now remember that we already added salt to the corn flour, so keeping that in mind, adjust the salt. So add a little less salt first and then if you require more salt, you can always sprinkle some salt later. And now we're going to add all the sauces, that is the tomato ketchup, we're going to add the red chili sauce, we're going to add the Szechuan chutney and the soya sauce. So add all the sauces and then give it a nice mix. Now I had a little bit of the corn flour left from coating of the chicken. So I just took about 1 teaspoon of that and added about 2 tablespoons of water and made a slurry. And I'm going to add that. We don't want this to be a liquid. We want this to be a dry kind of a, semi-gravy form for this chili chicken. Now I'm going to add the fried chili chicken pieces and on a high flame only, just for about half a minute, give it a thorough mix and then turn off the flame and your lovely chili chicken is all ready.